got a new delivery today and it's my Nespresso pods. I can slip. Alright, so I ordered 2 sleeves of the Mexico Master Origin. This is by far my favorite pods. I just love the way it tastes, especially in the morning. So I ordered 2 sleeves of that. I also got this one, which is the Congo. Ooh, I love this coloring, it's so pretty. And then next I got this one, the aged Sumatra. I wanted to try this and see how it tastes. It says that it was the 2016, oh gosh, selection vintage. Let's see, this one is the Ethiopia Master Origins. I'm trying a lot of new things this time around. And then I also grabbed a Costa Rica. I love this blue, it's so pretty. And then this last one is the pumpkin spice cake. So excited to try this. Hopefully it's as good as it sounds. And then this is actually just a descaling. I figure I should buy one because I'm gonna need a descale pretty soon here. All right, thank you for tuning in. See you next time.